welcome back. It is known that Eric Omondi is the baby daddy to Jackie Maribe's child, and this came to the limelight when Jackie Maribe and Joey were going through their court processes. You all know about what happened. I won't go into details. And at that time, Eric Omondi also came out and said, yes, he is the father to Jackie Maribe's son. So we've all been knowing that these two parents co-parent amicably and Eric takes responsibility, but that is about to change because of what has come up recently after Eric Omondi went on his social media account and posted this photo of him with Miss P, who's expectant, and he claimed that he is the one who's responsible for that pregnancy. And this is what Eric posted on his Instagram. I met this beautiful woman 5 months ago in an event I was hosting. Whatever happened, happened, and I promised her I would take every responsibility. Children are a blessing from God. Underline responsibility. So this post did not go well with Jackie Maribe, apparently, because, hey, Eric Omondi is a deadbeat, according to Jackie Maribe. So Jackie Maribe went on the comment section and stated that Eric is a deadbeat dad. He does not take responsibility. He does not take care of his son. In a comment that Jackie Maribe wrote that attracted, a lot of netizens' reactions, this is what she said. Responsibility. Hey, Ketwa Maribe, come, I can't speak. 7 years of responsibility. So this is to mean Eric Omondi is a deadbeat. He's not been taking care of his son, and yet he claims he's going to take care of Miss Peace child. So the comment went wild as usual, and I'm going to read for you in a moment. It was actually discovered that this pregnancy was fake. It was just a clout chasing game. Anyway, this is what people had to say when Jackie Maribe commented. Someone says, you mean Eric Omondi doesn't take care of his son? Someone else says, that's how ladies are lied to. When you have a kid with a guy, put in mind you're 100% responsible on your own. That is what someone commented there. Someone else said, I was thinking about you, Jackie Maribe, immediately I saw this post. Someone else was saying, unasema child responsibility bado ni comedy, like Eric Omondi does not take care of his child. So that is what people had to say. And immediately Jackie Maribe posted this photo of his son. Probably people might have reached out to her to ask her to be quiet about the whole issue. And this is what she had to say about that comment. She said, I have absolute love for this here son of mine, fruit of my womb, and I wanted. I am blessed to be a custodian over him. Now, a lot of people have asked me to be quiet about what the real story on the ground is. I respect that, but I also ask you to respect me enough to be really real. I wouldn't air any dirty laundry. A lot of my real friends love him and us. He's such a charming person. My family adores him. So, all said and done, and you can read in between the lines if you want. I'm hopelessly in love with motherhood, and as a single mom doing everything on her own, my goal is to raise a brilliant person as he already is. I love my son. I'll stand by him any day, every day. That is what Jackie had to say. So after Jackie Maribe posted that, Eric Omondi decided to choose violence by posting this pic or photo of him with Jackie Maribe, probably when they met or those many years ago. And this is what he captioned on his Instagram post. He said, we met at Radio Africa in 2012. I was working at Radio Jumbo and Jackie was working at Kiss TV. So one random night after a Radio Africa staff party, and after a few bottles of whiskey and wine glasses, Jackie and I happened. It was really a one-night thing because she was dating Katie and Sam Ogina at the time. We used protection. After 2 months, Jackie tells me she's pregnant. I immediately ask her how, since we used protection. She tells me that it doesn't matter. The mother always knows who the father of the child is, and I am the father. During the entire pregnancy, nothing happened, and we barely saw each other. Roughly 4 months after the baby was born, Jackie called me and asked me if I would help. or be part of the baby's life. I asked her for a DNA test so that I could comfortably be part of the baby's life and support fully. She got very offended and refused my request. For 7 years, I have begged Jackie to allow us have a DNA test, and she has continually refused. I don't mind supporting the child, but if you want me to fully be present and supportive, if you want me to be a father, then we must do what is right, and that is do a DNA test. Just to mention, a DNA test is what is done even in most countries if a father has to support. But maybe Jackie Maribe felt like this was an insult since they already slept together, so Eric should have taken responsibility. I also have to note this is a lot of information to put out there on social media, especially where kids are, concerned. And I don't know, I feel like you guys comment down below and tell me what you feel. So the whole thing about Eric Omondi mentioning Sam Ogina did not sit well with Sam Ogina and his wife. And Sam Ogina defended himself, and this is what he said. For avoidance of doubt, this is me and Jerry at the same party in 2012. Eric had for long-eyed Jerry, and he has never gotten over the fact that she chose me and we are married. Eric provoked me further, and I will release the disgusting skeletons pictures you used to send her. Whoa. So Eric apparently wanted Sam Ogina's wife then, and he didn't get her. So he's now, dragging Sam Ogina's family in all these. And I feel it's so wrong because Sam Ogina is already married. So dragging him and his wife in all these really does not sit well, and it's wrong. It's wrong. Sam Ogina goes ahead and says, I, Sam Ogina, wish to categorically deny the allegations by Eric Omondi that I was dating Maribe in 2012. What he posted is false and defaming, and let he rest assured that I'm coming for him. At the time, I was dating my lovely wife, Jerry. So Sam Ogina has come out and denied kabisa of any involvement with Jackie Maribe, and also states that Eric Omondi is dragging his name in the mud. He was dating his girlfriend then, Jerry, who is now his wife, and he is not in any way involved with Jackie Maribe. He also goes ahead and says, I give Eric Omondi an ultimatum to delete the IG post and issue an unconditional immediate apology. Otherwise, watch this account in a few expose his skinny skeleton ass of nudes from back then. Tune in and shut down. So that is what Sam Ogina says, that Eric should apologize and take down the post, or else he's going to release the nudes. Yo, it is getting ugly and messy, and let me tell you, the comment section went wild. Really, I don't know. Comment down below and tell me what you think. But I feel like people are just making fun of a very serious thing here, because a child is involved. This child many years ago will wake up and see, hey, kumbe nilizaliwa hivi. So here are the comments. Okay, so most of these comments are from very famous people or verified accounts on Instagram, and you can see YY says Sam Ogina alikuwa hata hajiski kupika leo akanunua mala na ugali ndio aanzishe Squid Game, and then boom. MCA Tricky said DNA ikuje alemtoi mapema mapema. Terence said Elik ni mwae ama nisimwae, social media wewe. Jalango said sanitize. So you can see no one is really bothering about the real issue. People are just out here making fun. Okay, and someone else said, Shiti said, ati we used protection, and by that time she was dating Andrew Kibe, making fun. Kukudenja says, Andrew Kibe asione his story. Alex Mwakideu says, Puliza talumbeta baba, simamisha hii dunia imenitosha. He also says, oh, so yes, you can see people, no one is really advising or talking about the real issue. People are just here to listen to your skeletons in the closet, make fun about it, and then, because internet never forgets, they'll also come back and remind you of whatever you did years later. Okay, Maina Kagani says, Aki social media wewe. Christine Wawera says, you have every right to request a DNA test, and she should comply if she wants you to support the child. I agree. Millie Chabi says, wewe. Daddy Owen says, wow, I remember this discussion we had many years ago. You guys are both my friends. alafu hii sasa. So I think only a few people like Daddy Owen, just were very concerned about the whole issue. Otherwise, other people were ready to listen to what's happening, without even offering any support. Someone else said, nani ako na ile na ngoma ya Bensol na Meja inaitwa Nairobi, yule anakupea pia ananipea, nitumie nataka kusikiza time alitoka sikuwa na bundles. Time ilitoka sikuwa na bundles. Yo. So you can see people are just making fun. So Soon says DNA Limba Banjuka bro. And then Christine says a lot of people are freaking out over my comment. This is exactly what happens when you want child support. You have to prove to the court that the child is his through DNA testing. So that is what Christine says, which I agree. And you can see a lot of these people are famous actually, and no one is really bringing sense here. They're just making jokes. Dr. Kingori says, meamua kaende kaende. To necessary, amesema reading this, and he wishes he was there during this time. Sanitize, unajua. Matimoni ya usanii. Naughty Flow says, damn. So I would just advise people to keep some of these very sensitive matters of social media, because anyway no one cares. People are just here to listen to what you have to say, and at the end of the day mtoto ndio atasafa. By the way, it's the child. When that child wakes up and sees this thing, hey, I think the best comment I saw was for Boniface Mwangi. He says, this isn't cool, Eric Omondi. You have shamed your baby mama and your son. It's been public knowledge that you are the baby daddy, and you even admitted as much. So this whole story you're bringing might even be true, but the public didn't need to know that much. It's an honor to be a dad, and Jackie Maribe chose you as her son's father. Now your son sins as far as he knows you're the daddy, and he's ridiculed and shamed because you have somewhat denied him publicly and stated that he's a one-night stand baby. I think this was a very, very sober comment, and I feel Boniface Mwangi was bringing something that was very, very true. And Eric Omondi countered him and said, bro, you don't even know what's going on. Ama, you are just commenting. You appear to have no idea what's happening. Go and check Jackie Maribe's post and then come here. Eric Omondi is defending himself, but I feel like just stating that this child was born out of a one-night stand, the child will be ridiculed, and this is not something good. I really don't support this. Please comment down below and tell us what you think. That is what we had for you today, guys. If you have anything to say, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, please, if you haven't, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.